Hello and welcome to stockradeo.com. Today we're very happy to have with us on the show CFO Keith Berman from Diagnostics Corp. Diagnostics Corp is publicly traded on the OTCPink sheets under the symbol DECN. Keith, thank you much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Keith, why don't you introduce us to Decision Diagnostics? Tell us a little bit about the company.
Well, Decision Diagnostics, believe it or not, has been around for nearly 14 years. We originally began our history as a developer of medical software applications, primarily under contract. And then we were offered the ability to acquire a series of contracts for the distribution of diabetic supplies. These were all brand name products. We did that for a number of years. And then an opportunity came along for us to pick up a moribund 510K regulatory application with the Food and Drug Administration, which, upon being granted, would allow us to control and market a diabetic test strip, a glucose test strip, to the general market, where our test strip, which is called Genstrip50, would work on a series of Johnson & Johnson LifeScan meters, glucometers, which is the most widely used glucometer in the United States, and there are still nearly 3 million diabetics that use those meters daily.
Fantastic. Now, Keith, tell me a little bit about the product itself, and you touched on it, but maybe go into more detail about the market as well.
The diabetic test strip, which is sold in quantities of 50, hence the name, Genstrip50, is what is commonly known as a generic healthcare product, specifically designed to run on a glucometer, which is a small handheld device owned by a diabetic, generally provided to the diabetic upon prescription from his doctor, so that he may monitor his blood sugar on a minute-by-minute basis if he wishes. The test strips that we manufacture are disposable. They are only used once. The average diabetic uses 3 to 4 of these strips a day. The average type 1 diabetic, primarily children and young adults, use up to 8 of these strips a day. So the business is it's a medical device which had to be cleared by the Food and Drug Administration, but the business itself is a retail business where virtually all of our customers are repeat customers once they pick up our product. Our chief marketing advantage is that since our product is made in the USA with a captive manufacturer, we are able to produce the strips, have them in stock within a week of order, and be able to deliver them with a great value proposition to distributors, drugstores. We sell online where diabetics themselves can buy the product as well.
We've been speaking to CFO Keith Berman from Decision Diagnostics Corp. For more information, please go to the company's website at www.decisiondiagnostics.com. As well, the company is publicly traded, so for investment information, please go to OTC Markets under the symbol DECN. Keith, thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you for the time.